Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we will talk about how to play H264 videos in VLC Media Player and show you how to fix playback issues easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open VLC Media Player on your computer. Step 2. Click on Tools from the top menu and select Preferences. Step 3. Click All under Show Settings at the bottom left. This switches VLC from simple settings to advanced settings so you can access codec options. Step 4. In the left panel, expand input codecs. Step 5, click Demuxers, and then select H264 Video Demuxer. This tells VLC to specifically use the H264 Demuxer for smoother playback. Step 6, click Save to apply the changes. Step 7, drag and drop the H264 video file into VLC to play. Now the video should start playing without errors. Method 2 starts if the video still does not play correctly. Step 1, reopen VLC Media Player to reset it with fresh settings. Step 2, click Tools and select Preferences again to access the configuration menu. Step 3, click All under Show Settings to enable advanced options. Step 4, go to Input Codecs and click Demuxers from the left panel. Step 5, change the Demuxer setting to Automatic. This allows VLC to choose the best Demuxer for the video file automatically. Step 6, click Save to confirm the changes and close the settings window. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.